So today we've got Diego in his new harness. He's been in it a couple times before, but just like in our backyard and going around the neighborhood a couple times. He's not very used to it yet. He's kind of picking at it and whatnot. It connects back there. We are gonna go to a pond with some ducks today. I've just been trying to reward him. He loves towels, so I've just been trying to have a towel with me to kind of distract him from chewing on the harness, and giving him treats and taking him outside when he has the harness on to kind of reward him, so that hopefully he'll get used to it enough to enjoy the harness and associate with good things. So we'll do some clips at the park. Do you hear some ducks? Are those some ducks? Is that exciting? Yeah. See, the harness isn't so bad, huh? So far so good. We've got some funny looks from people we've been passing about having a bird on my shoulder, so that's always fun. So we made it home, and the whole drive Diego has just been chewing on his harness, trying to get it off. I think he's becoming kind of aggravated with it. He's not doing damage to it, just kind of trying to tug on it and figure out how to get out of it, I think. So all in all, I'd say that the park trip was a success. He did enjoy being out there and seeing the ducks and the birds. And he was talking and whistling and such. So I'd call that a success. We'll have to just continue, I believe, giving him harness time in small doses and doing something fun. If any of my subscribers have some advice on getting their bird used to a harness, for those of you who have birds that use harnesses, please comment below. I appreciate any of your tips, and we will give an update on Diego's harness in a few weeks. Thanks.